Hello and welcome to the Swinglish Adventure.
This week we're exploring some amazing, beautiful places here in Sweden in our little budget family camper van. So for those of you who are new around here, allow me to introduce us. We are Tom, Molin, Charlie and Isabella, and we are a half English, half Swedish family living our best lives on the east coast of Sweden. We spend most of our time outdoors, exploring the stunning country that we're lucky enough to live in. Over the last few months, we've worked really hard to turn our little minibus into a cosy, budget-friendly camper van, and now we're using it to explore some incredible parts of Sweden. So hit the subscribe button and tag along. Everybody all right this morning?
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's so nice to wake up here, isn't it?
It's amazing. And it's like, with how hot it is at the moment, you like enjoy these first couple of hours where it's not too hot.
Yeah, exactly. We got a heat wave.
Yeah.
It was about 34, 35 degrees yesterday, I think.
Yeah.
And they've forecast even hotter today somehow. Yeah, so with this heat, it's nice to be right by the water.
Yeah, you need it. You need it. Like, it's not good for the kids, but I mean, it's not nice for anybody.
No, exactly.
Charlie's gone well back into swimming. As soon as he was in, he loved it,
Yeah.
and then he didn't want to get out.
Mama,
Yeah.
what's up?
Marshmallows!
Yeah.
Charlie, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We can't eat marshmallows now.
You got pretty lenient parents, mate, but marshmallows at 8 o'clock in the morning.
It's a no-go.
It's a no-go, I'm afraid. Wow, what have you guys been doing?
Picking blueberries, but we also found raspberries.
Did you?
Yeah, loads.
Wow.
Didn't get loads because you see, it's not that fun picking it. It's only fun eating it. So
Ate most of them on the way.
yeah,
Yummy. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Great. You going for a swim?
yeah. It's so hot. It's only 9:30 and it's boiling.
Yeah. Cool Box is putting in a shift.
Yeah.
Struggling, I think.
But we got sonar.
We've got sonar, have we? Not quite that advanced.
But we got solar power now. So
Yeah. We just need a bit of a better battery, I think.
yeah,
And then we'll be on our way.
yeah, perfect.
So a little bit of an update from the last video. We actually built our own roof rack. We were really struggling to find roof bars that were not ridiculously priced. There were no sort of second-hand ones like I thought there might have been. So we went and got some profiles from Built Immer, actually pretty cheap, and made our own. So it's working really well. And because of that, we've been able to mount the solar panel on there, which feels really good. We've had that sort of lying around for ages. The pull-out unit's getting a bit of action for the first time as well. It's been really useful for, you know, preparing food on and stuff. Even just this morning, you know, getting dressed and getting ready and stuff, you've got a place to keep your bits and bobs while you're getting sorted. So it's been really good so far. I've not screwed the countertop in yet, so that's just sort of resting there for now. But it's worked really well, you know. You've got a bit of storage. We've got all the barbecue stuff under there. It's nice to take it for a bit of a test run. What's Mama doing? She going for a swim?
Yeah.
Good. Is Charlie going for a swim? No. All right, on to the next adventure. What do you think? We're going to find somewhere good?
Hopefully, we got 3 in mind, so hopefully one is good.
Hopefully one of them's decent. They all look pretty nice, so...
Yeah. Just stop and make sure we got everything.
Yeah. We're bad enough, just you and me, but when you've got 2 kids, it's like chaos everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll say we're bad, I'm bad. I'm terrible for leaving stuff and not knowing where stuff is and whatever.
It looked empty at least, so...
Hopefully we've not forgot anything important.
No, we got 2 kids in the back seat.
2 kids
so...
on the back, yeah, and I remembered to take the power bank off the roof, which is...
It's a win.
It's a win, yeah.
Do you remember last year when we were on Öland and you left it? We had put it like on there.
Yeah.
Because it's solar.
It's a solar powered battery bank, like power bank thing, so you can charge it by solar, yeah. So we cleverly left it out in the sun on the bonnet of the car and then drove off. It was brand new as well, it's the first time we'd used it. And we noticed it, didn't we? It was like,
yeah.
oh, look! but it didn't make it all the way on the bonnet. It fell off.
Yeah.
We had to go back and get it.
So in the last video, you never get used to these roads, do you?
No, it's always when you're on your way to these sort of places, it's these little gravel roads. Luckily, this is quite a nice wide one. Sometimes it's like, feels like you can't even fit one car or van down it, and it's like 2 lanes.
And the speed limit is 70.
Yeah, always. Imagine bombing around here at 70. Crazy. What do you think, kids?
I think it looks good. Good
It's
enough
alright.
at least.
Yeah. Got a little beach and stuff.
It will be good enough at least, I think.
Very much in the forest. Imagine
Yeah.
there's going to be a lot of bugs.
Yeah, it is. But the nice thing is that it's like a sandy beach and not a pebble.
Yeah.
I don't even know if you can call it one pebble. It's big
Giant stones.
f***ing stones. Which is going to be nice if when you swim. But Charlie's going to be disappointed because there's not much to throw here.
Yeah, true.
But
Set
a lot
up,
more
shall we?
exploring.
Yeah.
Probably find some more blueberries.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Hey. What does Mama think?
Lovely. It's a lot warmer than it was yesterday.
Yeah. Warm in the water.
Yeah, it was a massive lake where we were yesterday though.
Yeah. This is pretty small.
Yeah. And shallow. Is that the right word?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, let's just enjoy the afternoon.
Yeah.
What did she think? Is it Dodgems?
Yeah.
Bumper cars?
My dog.
Oh, she's going to capsize. Come on. You love it, don't you? The water baby. That's it, mate. You take it easy. Go, Charlie, go. Go, Charlie, go. Wow, look at you, mate.
It's funny that we start fire because Charlie wants to grill marshmallows, but then he don't want the grilled ones. He only wants the ones out of the bag.
Yeah,
so
you're
where's
right.
that here grilling marshmallows?
It's nice though, isn't it, still?
Yeah. It is nicer when it's not 37 degrees out.
Yeah, exactly. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is it super nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many have you eaten?
Okay.
10?
Hmm.
You had 10 marshmallows.
Oh, Charlie.
What are you doing?
Like that.
Okay, still like that, are you?
You gonna grill one?
Too hot for grilling marshmallows.
Definitely.
Let's go and swim instead.
I think so.
It's like, what is it? Nearly 7, 6:30, something like that. It's just stupid. It's not going away, is it?
Dripping.
My
Dripping
lucky.
from
Yeah.
it. It's insane.
Yeah.
Ska du ha den sista eller?
My
Swim, 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 swim. Go on, you can do it. You're gonna swim with your head, you sausage. Might have made the coffee a bit too full for a walk. It's not not really walking coffee, that is it?
No.
Be alright anyway.
Charlie's very ready to walk, so.
Yeah. We've had a really, really nice, relaxing morning though. It's worrying.
Yeah.
Strange.
Strange.
We had a couple of hours almost where everybody's just sort of sat, chilled, had breakfast. But now we're very restless, so.
Yeah.
My dad.
Ja, vi ska gå.
What have you guys found?
Little sweet.
Strawberries. Wild strawberries.
Papa.
Yeah.
A dog.
Smultron.
Smultron. Yummy.
They're quite big actually.
Yeah. Well, I didn't get a chance to film them.
Mia.
Yeah.
Take our word for it. They're quite big.
Yeah, exactly. I love this. Like yesterday we went blueberry picking, found raspberries, found these, you call them wild strawberries, don't
Yes,
you?
yeah. Smultron.
Yeah. And I think we saw people picking mushrooms yesterday.
Yeah.
I just love like just being able to go out and
Mia sweet.
ja, vi ska leta. and you can just pick like the kids' snack almost. Like earlier I walked up in the forest and it was like a field of blueberries. Like you could pick so much, like 3 minutes and I had my hands full.
Yeah.
Just came down and gave it to the kids for breakfast.
So good.
You have to pretend like you don't find any more and then sneak one to Bella so it doesn't get an argument. Charlie eats like 8. Bra Charlie, vad
Good
snäll
job,
du är.
mate. Thank you.
Charlie, vad hade du på ryggen?
Ham.
Är det någon som har ätit på dig? Ja, vad var det för något då?
Soja.
En fluga. Aj då.
Ja.
Är du okej?
Ja.
Vilken tur. Ska vi gå och hitta lite mer blåbär? Kanske det känns bättre sen. Tiring living van life.
Yeah, it is tiring for everybody, isn't it? Being outside all the time. When you've got such a small van like we have, you're never really in the van. You don't like live in the van. You live outside. You're outside all the time. You only ever really use the van for sleeping in, don't you?
Yeah.
So it's exhausting being outside all the time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like even for adults, but obviously for these kiddos, it's tiring, especially when it's bloody 38 degrees or whatever.
Yeah.
Stupid. But I think that's probably about it for us for this week. We're going to start packing up and stuff.
Yeah, before the bad weather comes, because it's, like we said, heavy rain coming.
Forecast pretty bad by the looks of it. So yeah, that's all for this week. So make sure you join us again next week and see where we end up. We've got a lot more planned for this summer. So stick around, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home.